Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Shonda with Stockton Stuff. I am here to share the first gift that I made to send to my swap partner, Paulette. And I just want to make sure that you know for this 12 days of Christmas swap, there are actually 24 days because there are 12 outgoing and 12 incoming gifts. My gifts are the outgoing gifts that I will share with you on the even days of the month. And I will share my incoming gifts from my swap partner on the odd days of the month. So you saw my first gift that I received on yesterday. I did a lot of handmade packaging for my outgoing gifts. So I will also share whether that was handmade totally by me or if I used a SVG and where I got it from. And I'm not going to share what paper pads I use because I didn't buy any new paper pads. I have so much Christmas paper because I used to craft fair a lot that I am going to try to work my way through the paper I have. So none of the paper that I'll show you will be able to be purchased right now. So you probably, if you have been a crafter for a while, you probably own some of this paper. Some of it is really just Michael's and Joann's and DWV. You know which one I mean. So my first gift, I used this candy cane type paper. This entire pad that this came from is a totally red and white pad. Well, there's like gray and silver in it, but for the most part, it's red and white. This is a Dreaming Tree bag. It is called the candy cane bag. Of course, now Dreaming Tree is not their own website. You have to go to Creative Fabrica to get their items. I would imagine that they took everything with them. I did like a shimmery red paper. It reminded me of glitter, but it's really shimmery because it's not grainy. And there's acetate there. I stamped. This is a full, 6x6 stamp from Stampin' Up. And I heat embossed it in my glitter red. And then these tags are just some AliExpress or Temu generic layered tags. So I just buy different shapes of tags from places like that. And the item I made is a May Made It design, and I'll link the video in the description box below. It is a mini album ornament. And so it has the pages for your pictures, or you can add journaling, but also inside each of these pages is a pocket, and you can do your journaling or add another picture or just decorate it. So it's not enough pages to be a December daily, but it is a great idea for baby's first Christmas or an engagement Christmas, or just any Christmas stuff that you want to add some little pictures and save and maybe add to the tree again next year. So there is my first gift. Yesterday you saw me open my advent calendar, and so I wanted to share videos of what the tea was for each day, just in case you're interested. So today's tea, December 2nd, is the anise cookie black tea. That sounds like it's going to be kind of sweet. Anything with cookie in it sounds sweet to me. Stay tuned tomorrow to see what I received from my swap partner, ScrappyTate. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.